In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Manychat in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to tidy up your digital connections or simply taking a step back, I'll guide you through this process smoothly. Let's begin. First off, we need to head over to the Manychat website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or search for Manychat. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. If you're a regular Manychat user, enter your login credentials and you'll be directed to the dashboard. With successful login, you'll find yourself on the Manychat home dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic happens. Now, let's move over to the Home tab if you aren't already there. The Home tab is an essential part of Manychat as it serves as the starting point for managing your interactions. Next on our list is to locate the Settings option. You should see it prominently displayed, typically in the navigation pane or menu bar. Click on Settings and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to various customization and management options. Here, focus on finding the Channels tab or section. Channels are crucial in Manychat because they enable communication across different platforms. Since our goal is to disconnect, Channels is the place to be. Once you've clicked on Channels, you'll see a list of different communication methods you have set up within Manychat. The next step involves selecting the specific channel you wish to disconnect. This might include channels such as Facebook, Instagram, or any other services linked to your Manychat account. Choose the one you wish to remove. You might need to take a moment to think about which connections you no longer need or use. Removing unnecessary channels can help keep your communication streamlined and reduce redundancy. With your chosen channel highlighted, it's time to take action. You'll see an option or perhaps a button labeled Remove. Click on that. It's normal to feel a bit of hesitation after all you're altering your communication setup, but rest assured that this is a reversible action. Manychat typically includes a prompt to confirm this decision, so take a deep breath and proceed by confirming your choice if asked. And there you have it, you've successfully disconnected a channel from Manychat. This is a great routine to practice periodically, ensuring that your business automation remains efficient and clutter-free. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other tutorials or contact support. Goodbye.